Welcome to Inventions World, where we celebrate the forefront of innovation and discovery. Are you ready to step into the future with the coolest gadgets of 2024? Let's dive right in and explore 5 must-have gadgets that will revolutionize your life. First up, we have the silent snore. Say goodbye to sleepless nights and snoring disturbances with this innovative device. Simply pop it in before bedtime and experience a peaceful, uninterrupted sleep like never before. A question people always ask about sleep aids is, will it fit? The good news is that Silent Snore is a one-size-fits-all product and will be just as comfortable for men and women who snore. There is no smell, meaning the user will not notice it is there during the night, and anyone can enjoy wearing it. Next on our list is the Tactic Air Drone. Whether you're an aerial enthusiast or a photography buff, this drone is your perfect companion. With its advanced features and precise controls, capturing breathtaking aerial shots has never been easier. Designed for easy use by the beginner with integrated technologies for the professional photographer, the Tactic Air Drone has all the capabilities of an advanced flying machine. Featuring 4 channels with LED lights, it has a 6-axis gyroscope with calibration function for smooth, level flying. This quadcopter camera drone features stuck and low power protection to prevent flying damage. It also features 1-button controlling takeoffs, falls along with urgent stops. Fast or slow flies are all easily controlled. There's an advanced density pressure sensor for accurately setting the height. Looking to stay on top of your fitness goals? Look no further than the Active 8 Fitness Tracker. This sleek device not only monitors your daily activity and heart rate, but also provides personalized insights to help you achieve your fitness milestones. Choose the Active 8 tracker and see the difference it makes. Many people are surprised by their activity levels, or lack of, once they start using a reliable tracking device to capture data continuously. If you're ready to take control of your fitness, or would like to gift the tracker to someone else to help them on their wellness journey, then the Active 8 Fitness Tracker could be an excellent investment. Order your tracker now to start seeing the benefits. Boost your home's Wi-Fi signal with the Wi-Fi UltraBoost. Say goodbye to dead zones and buffering with this powerful yet easy-to-install device. Stream movies, play games, and browse the web with lightning-fast speeds in every corner of your home. Overall, then, is the Wi-Fi UltraBoost really worth it? Absolutely! Virtually every homeowner could benefit from a Wi-Fi boost, particularly as the number of devices we use on a daily basis seems to be increasing. Affordable, effective, and powerful, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Last but not least, we have the Video Doorbell. Keep your home safe and secure with this smart doorbell that allows you to see and communicate with visitors from anywhere, anytime. With its HD video and 2-way audio features, you'll never miss a visitor again. Is the Video Doorbell worth it? The Video Doorbell will help you keep in touch with visitors while also improving home security. The box includes everything you need to install the doorbell, such as a mounting bracket, diode, security sticker, user manual, USB charging cable, and also the necessary installation tools, including a screwdriver and small drill bit. With so many useful features available at such an affordable price, we believe the Video Doorbell provides a simple, efficient, and low-maintenance way to protect and monitor your home. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your life with these incredible gadgets and embrace the future today. Check out the links in the description below to get your hands on these amazing products. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the convenience and innovation of 2024's coolest gadgets. And remember, the future is now.